talk a little bit about the weather here in the Bay Area. It's a little bit of everything we got going on.
Yeah, we got some moisture heading our way too.
Yeah.
A little bit of rain. There's our camera operator told us that he felt about 10 to 20 raindrops on his way in this morning.
That's something.
Something better than nothing. I think we might have recorded 0.01, 0.02 inches across parts of the Bay, but for July, that's not normal at all. And the reason is actually from a tropical storm system that is currently making its way north from near the equator. This tropical moisture, again, is spreading out all across California, and it's the reason that we are dealing with all of the moisture, the humidity, the mugginess today. It is now a post-tropical depression. Its name is still Alita, and it's going to continue to unravel as it weakens and pushes north. Definitely not going to be a lane-falling hurricane by any means, but it's really interesting to see what high pressure does. It actually pushes the clouds away up and around from the Pacific Northwest, and it wraps it around the area of high pressure that's bringing some heat and some monsoonal moisture to the Four Corners states, but it's also going to begin to nudge towards us and bring us some heat starting tomorrow. So there's heat and there's humidity on the way, and it all revolves around that tropical moisture. So all of the clouds that you see in the sky today and tomorrow, they're literally coming up from the equator. They're literally coming up from this tropical storm system. I think that's always so fun to see. The impacts, though, are going to be widespread across California. Not only some rough seas from Southern California to the central part of the state, there's also that increased humidity, that little bit of coastal drizzle, and the potential for maybe some dry lightning. The better potential will be later tomorrow evening into early Wednesday morning as that system begins to nudge away from us. So by Wednesday, it is going to be a lot drier. It's going to be a lot sunnier out there, but we do have about 24 more hours of mugginess to get through. The onshore winds will return Wednesday, and we'll be seeing more seasonable temperatures. But Tuesday, it is definitely going to be a hot one. You are going to want to make sure you practice heat safety, especially if you live across our inland areas, because there is still going to be cloud coverage out there, which means you are going to feel that mugginess and that moisture. You feel the mugginess and the moisture right now because a lot of this rain that you see on our radar is evaporating on its way to the ground, increasing our humidity levels, maybe just a couple of isolated raindrops making their way to the surface. But again, overnight tonight and into early tomorrow, that fog is going to stick around along the coast, a few more upper level clouds making their way in, but the fog is eventually going to be peeling back, and those high temperatures are going to be warming up. Even along the coast, those highs are going to be in the low 70s tomorrow. And then look at inland. Those highs are going to be in the upper 90s. But with the moisture, with the humidity in the air, that muggy meter, that stickiness factor is going to be pretty high tomorrow afternoon. So keep that in mind. Tomorrow, it is going to feel a couple of degrees hotter than the upper 90s. It's definitely going to feel like you're in the triple digits from places like Livermore up to Antioch and Fairfield. So keep that in mind. Heat is on tomorrow. But look at what happens by Wednesday. All of that heat will be returning to the central part of the state as the onshore winds develop, and that really helps to cool us down. So those inland areas by Wednesday will be about 10 degrees cooler than Tuesday, sitting back into the upper 80s to low 90s. The coast is still going to be pretty warm on Wednesday, upper 60s to low 70s. But the onshore winds are going to be gusty out there, 20 to 30 miles an hour. So again, keep that in mind. It is going to be breezier and a bit cooler on Wednesday and Thursday, but cooler is all relative. You'll be back down to seasonable for our inland areas. Honestly, a lot more comfortable by the mid to later parts of the week. So make sure Tuesday afternoon plans, you practice heat safety, maybe not spending all days outdoors. Even along the coast, you're going to be in the mid 70s by Tuesday. That is really warm for this time of year before more cloud coverage, more windy weather returns by Wednesday, and then a lot more seasonable conditions arrive into the weekend. Back to you.